Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul video for you all wherein I'll be showing you all of my purchases from Amazon this time. So yeah, आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि मैं इतने सारे haul videos क्यों डाल रही हूँ guys, because I recently found that you guys are actually liking my hauls rather than any other videos. So yeah, that's why I'm here with another haul. So this time we will going to show you, I am going to show you all of my purchases from Amazon. So if that interests you, please guys keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and next to that there is a bell icon. Please to hit that out so that you will be notified every time I upload any new video. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first product that I have is from Biotique. That is their Bio Cucumber Toner, if you can see it. So this is their pore tightening toner with Himalayan water that is suitable for normal to oily skin. That retails for about 175 guys, but I got this product on sale, and for me I got it for only 108 rupees. और इस बॉटल में आपको 120 ml का प्रोडक्ट मिल जाता है, which is I think sufficient for quite a long time. So yeah, if you're looking for good toner in budget guys, I think this will going to be a good option for you, and in fact this is suitable for all skin type. So I'm sure you will going to love this toner. If you haven't tried it, please do give it a try. I can simply recommend this product to you guys. This is such a nice product. Another product that I have is from Blue Heavens. That is their Studio Perfection Primer, and that is oil free, non greasy, and that comes in gel consistency. So I think this particular primer is good for oily people. So yes, and this is the same primer guys जो मैंने अभी अपने मेकअप के अंदर वेयर किया है, and I think this sits very well on my skin because I am on the oilier side. तो मेरी स्किन पे से ये काफ़ी अच्छे से वर्क किया है, and I'm not sure about dry people because ड्राई वालों के लिए आई डोंट थिंक दिस विल गोना वर्क, बट फॉर ऑयली पीपल दिस वर्क्स अमेजिंग. मैं थोड़ा सा आपको इसका प्रोडक्ट दिखा देती हूँ. बाय द वे दिस प्राइमर रिटेल्स फॉर अबाउट 300 रुपीज़ गाइज, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. प्रॉपर जेल कंसिस्टेंसी वाला प्राइमर है, एंड इस पर्टिकुलर कंटेनर में आपको 60 ग्राम प्रोडक्ट मिल जाता है गाइज. सो आई थिंक क्वाइट सफिशिएंट for the amount that you're paying, and this is how it looks. And next product that I have is from Swiss Beauty. That is their makeup fixer natural, comes with aloe vera and vitamin E. This is how the product looks like. Yes, let me show you the actual packaging of the product. So ये बॉटल कुछ इस टाइप की दिखती है, एंड गाइज इस बॉटल में आपको 50 ml का प्रोडक्ट मिल जाता है. एंड द ओनली प्रॉब्लम विद दिस पर्टिकुलर मेकअप फिक्सर इज़ द फ्रेगरेंस. अदर देन दैट दिस फिक्सर वर्क्स अमेजिंग ऑन माई स्किन, एंड आई थिंक दिस विल गोइंग टू सूट ऑल स्किन टाइप गाइज. सो दिस इज़ अगेन वन ऑफ द गुड प्रोडक्ट. एंड अगर आप इसकी प्राइस की बात करेंगे, सो ये मुझे सेल पे मिला है फॉर अबाउट 249 रुपीज़, बट आई थिंक इसकी जो एक्चुअल कॉस्ट है that is around 250 rupees. And again when you talk about the price and the quantity that you receive is quite amazing. इसमें आपको 50 ml का प्रोडक्ट मिल जाता है. Alright guys, so another product that I have is from Maybelline this time, and that is their Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade Sand, and it says multi-use concealer. सो आप इसे एज अ हाईलाइटिंग कंसीलर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एज अ करेक्टर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, डिपेंड्स कि आप कौन सा शेड पिक करते हैं. बट आई एम इन द शेड सैंड, एंड दैट रिटेल्स फॉर अबाउट 496 रुपीज़ गाइज. इसकी जो एक्चुअल कॉस्ट है दैट इज़ 650 रुपीज़, बट ये सेल पे मुझे 496 रुपीज़ का मिला है. सच अमेजिंग स्टील. So yes, if you would like to grab this product guys, just look for the sale on Amazon or maybe Nykaa or other websites. You can definitely get this product on much cheaper price. And let me show you the consistency, and let me tell you guys, this concealer is amazing. Look how this looks like, and when you blend it, this blends amazingly guys. This is such a lovely concealer, means it can give you up to high coverage, not up to, it actually gives you high coverage guys. So if you're looking for high coverage concealer in budget, I think this will going to be a good option for you guys. So yeah, that is my another product. And next product that I have is from Faces Canada. That is their eyeliner. So guys, this eyeliner says Magnet Eyes eyeliner. Of course, it's in the shade black. Retails for about 161 rupees. Such a budget friendly product guys, and let me tell you, this eyeliner is in fact good. And let me show you, look at the wand and look at the color guys. This is a complete black, jet black, and जैसे ये dry होता है guys, it turns completely matte on your eyes. So yes, this is another good budget friendly product, I would say. Okay, so the next product that I have is again from Maybelline. That is their Maybelline New York, the Colossal Bold eyeliner. This is how the product looks like, and the sale price of this product is 187 rupees, and the amount that we get inside this bottle is 3 grams of product. And guys, let me tell you, first let me show you how the product looks like. So this is how the product looks like, the last one. And of course this is in the shade black, and once it dries out, it turns completely matte. That is the thing that I like about. But the main thing guys that I don't like about this product is the wand of this product. If you can see, so you will be able to understand what I'm talking about. So this is the side guys. So what I'm trying to say is, whenever you are trying to apply a thin liner, जब आप बहुत ही thin eyeliner लगाना चाहते हो, so the wand of that particular eyeliner should be precise enough to give you that thin eyeliner sort of a thing. But इसका जो wand है, it's not that precise, तो ये आपको उतना अच्छा थिन, या फिर अगर आप विंग लाइनर लगाना चाहते हो तो ये उतना अच्छे से काम नहीं करेगा. दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट दिस लाइनर. एंड अदर देन दैट, द प्रोडक्ट दैट यू गेट इनसाइड इट इज़ एक्चुअली गुड, बट द वॉन्ड इज़, आई एम सो सॉरी, दैट इज़ नॉट गुड. एंड लेट मी आस्क यू गाइज, अगर आपने ये प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किया है, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो कि ये मेरे प्रोडक्ट के साथ ही हुआ है कि आप लोगों के साथ, या फिर आपने भी ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया है इस प्रोडक्ट को लेके. ऑलराइट, सो नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव इज़ फ्रॉम इनसाइड. दैट इज़ देयर डुओ 2-in-1 स्टिक, जिसमें आपको एक साइड आपको हाइलाइटर मिल जाता है एंड नेक्स्ट साइड आपको कंसील कंटोर स्टिक मिल जाती है. एंड गाइज, लेट मी शो यू हाउ द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक. सो ये आपका कंटोर साइड है, एंड this is the highlighter side, and let's try it. All right, the color looks amazing. I think that will going to suit my skin tone. Let's try the highlighter side. Okay, I think highlighter looks okay on the hands. I'm not sure about how it will going to show up on the face, but one thing I would like to tell you guys, the fragrance of this product is little annoying, I would say. That is not that promising. So yeah, अगर आप fragrance allergic नहीं हो, then only give it a try to this product. And if you talk about the price, I think guys, ये भी मुझे सेल पे ही मिला है, of course, क्योंकि मैंने अमेज़ॉन से इस बार जितनी भी शॉपिंग करी है, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट एवरीथिंग विल गोइंग टू बी अंडर 500. सो या, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द बजट फ्रेंडली थिंग दैट आई गॉट. सो या, आई थिंक दिस इज़ अंडर 200 फॉर श्योर. उससे ज़्यादा तो ये नहीं है, आई एम डैम श्योर. बट आई थिंक द स्मेल ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ नॉट नाइस, आई वुड से. बट या, द पे ऑफ ऑन द हैंड्स इज़ लुकिंग प्रीटी ओके. I think, yeah, I think it blends okay. But actually guys, if you talk about the highlighter, personally I'm not a fan of cream highlighters. मुझे powder highlighters ही ज़्यादा पसंद हैं. But let's see how this works. So yeah, that is my another product. Okay, so next product that I have are these brushes from Amazon. आप देख पा रहे हो, these are pretty dirty because I have used it and I think I'm liking these brushes. The actual price of these brushes is $14.99, approximately 1500, but मुझे ये सेल पे मिले हैं, that is only for $399 rupees. So in 10 brushes के set में I have received 1 2 3 4 5 फेस ब्रशेस, जिसमें आपको एक फाउंडेशन ब्रश मिल जाता है, एक पाउडर मिल जाता है, एक कॉन्टोर मिल जाता है एंड एक मल्टीपर्पज़ मिल जाता है. एंड अनदर 5 ब्रशेस दैट आई हैव रिसीव्ड आर दीज आई ब्रशेस, जिसमें भी आपको काफ़ी हद तक सारे ही ब्रशेस मिल जाते हैं फॉर योर आई मेकअप. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई हैव यूज्ड दीज ब्रशेस एंड this actually works amazing, guys. And if you would like to have a review on these brushes, please let me know. I'm definitely going to do it for you because these brushes are actually amazing and retails for about just $399 rupees. So yeah, such a steal I got from Amazon, I would say. Alright guys, so another product that I have is pretty much a random thing. These are the Tic Tacs. So yeah, I think I got these 4 because again, as I told you that I shopped a lot of stuff in sale from Amazon. So yeah, ये भी सेल पे ही था, तभी मैंने ले लिया because if you talk about hair bands, clutchers and you know rubber bands, you don't have enough of those. So yeah, that is why I got all of these together, and all of these retails for about just $299 rupees, guys. So you know, if you talk about this, it is 12. So I got these 4 in just $299 rupees. So I think this is a steal for me. Okay, so another product that I have is again the brushes that I got like this. And guys, this is a set of 12 eye brushes. Let me quickly show you how it looks like. So इसमें आपको 12 brushes मिल जाते हैं. This is how the packet looks like and retails for about $429 rupees. That is the sale price, guys. If you talk about the actual price, it says $12.99, so pretty expensive. So these are all the 12 brushes that I have received. So that is how it looks like. Oops, yeah. So guys, I haven't used these brushes as of now. As you can see, these all are packed. So I'm not sure how this works because the last one that I showed you works amazing. But I will definitely gonna try these brushes and will let you know how this works for my makeup looks. So yeah, that is my another purchase. And yeah, good thing about this particular set of brushes that it comes in this potly kind of a thing that you can use it like this. So yeah, that is my another purchase. And yeah, another thing that I got is this white pencil from Miss Claire. And again guys, let me quickly show you how this looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it on my skin, on my hand. So this is okay, not that pigmented, but yeah, for the price that you're paying for this Miss Claire pencil is okay, pretty pigmented I would say. So this is of course under 100 rupees, guys. So what you can expect under 100 rupee product, but this works amazing for at least, you know, for your waterlines and all of those stuff. So yeah, that is my another purchase. And the last product that I got is this. So this is Makeup Revolution's London palette. So this is how this looks like. This looks amazing, right? So that is in the shade Flawless 4. And let me quickly open it, guys, and show you how this works. So guys, if I talk about the price, I'm not sure because मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा इन सब प्रोडक्ट से थोड़ा सा पहले बाय किया था, but I'm sure this is around 15 or 1600 around that pricing. So yeah, that is how the product looks like. Complete metallic packaging, such a lovely packaging guys. And इसमें आपको एक बड़ा सा मिरर मिल जाता है, फुल साइज मिरर, एंड दीज आर ऑल द लवली शेड्स दैट यू गेट. इसमें आपको काफ़ी सारे पिंक, यहाँ पे आपको लाइटर टोन्स मिल जाते हैं, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ वार्म टोन्स मिल जाते हैं. यू गेट pretty much all the colors that we actually would like to go on regular basis, because आप बहुत सारे colors ऐसे regular basis पे नहीं लगा सकते हो. So I think these colors are little sophisticated for daily purpose, I would say. So yeah, I am pretty much in love with this palette. So yeah, अगर आप pay off की बात करोगे, so pay off is also nice. Let me quickly show you guys how the pay off looks like. So guys, let me quickly show it to you. So I don't know where to show. Okay, let's try here. So these are the colors. Oh my god. And these are the color. So I would say pretty pigmented. So yeah, I have used it once, so I know it works fine. And Makeup Revolution के palettes so of course अफोर्डेबल भी हैं एंड दे आर एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग गाइस. सो अगर आप ज़्यादा महंगे पैलेट्स में नहीं इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हो, तो आई थिंक यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर रेवोल्यूशंस पैलेट. दोज आर अफोर्डेबल एज वेल, एंड you get lot of shades. In fact, you get every kind of shade in Makeup Revolution, so you can definitely give it a try. Alright guys, so yeah, that is my last product from Amazon, and I wanted to create the entire video on the basis of product under 500 only. But guys, I actually wanted to include this Revolutions palette because these palettes are such an amazing palettes. If you're looking for good palette, मैं आपको किसी भी cheaper palette की तरफ नहीं influence करूँगी कि आप जाओ और आप कोई भी 150 या 200 वाला palette ले लो. Please don't go for that. If you are looking for good palette, and if you're looking for some budget friendly palette, so I think you should जस्ट लुक इन टू मेकअप रेवोल्यूशंस पैलेट. आपको काफ़ी सारे पैलेट्स ऐसे भी मिल जाते हैं जो अंडर 1000 रुपीज़ भी हो सकते हैं. दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई हैव इंक्लूडेड दिस प्रोडक्ट इन दिस हॉल. Otherwise all the product that I have showed you are under 500. So yeah, those are pretty good, and I got all of the products on sale. So yeah, sometimes Amazon gives you lot of amazing product on sale prices. Even sometimes expensive products are also on sale. So yeah, just you have to wait for the right time. So yes guys, that is my last product that I got from Amazon. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video on all the products under 500 from Amazon. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है, so please guys do give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, if you have any kind of request that you would like me to make a video on, please do mention in the comment section below ताकि मुझे पता चले, and I will be definitely going to make the video on those requests. So yeah, that is all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for watching my video, and stay tuned until I upload my next video guys. Please do take care of yourself. Bye.